Hello students, let's discuss all these important questions based on vectors. This first question says if magnitude of a vector plus b vector is equal to magnitude of a vector minus b vector, then what is the angle between a vector and b vector? So let us draw a diagram showing these two vectors a and b vectors. Let us draw these two vectors a vector and b vector with their tails coinciding. A vector, b vector, angle between them theta. If we reverse the direction of b vector, it will become minus b vector. So let's draw a vector plus b vector by completing the parallelogram involving a and b vectors. This diagonal is a vector plus b vector, and if we complete the parallelogram involving a vector and minus b vector, the diagonal will represent a vector minus b vector. So the angle between a vector and b vector is theta, and angle between a vector and minus b vector is 180 minus theta. So the resultant of a and b vector, that is magnitude of a vector plus b vector, will be square root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta, and the resultant of a vector and minus b vector, that is magnitude of a vector minus b vector, is equal to square root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos 180 minus theta. Now according to question, these magnitudes are equal, so let's equate these. So we'll get a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab cos 180 minus theta. A square cancel, b square cancel, 2ab cos theta is equal to 2ab into, now cos 180 minus theta is equal to minus cos theta, so we are getting 4ab cos theta is equal to 0, or cos theta is equal to 0, so theta is equal to pi by 2 radian, that means 90 degrees. So correct option is B. Let's discuss this next question. Choose the correct option for a cross b equal to c vector. Now we know that the cross product of any two vectors is perpendicular to the plane containing the two vectors. So suppose this is a vector and this is b vector, then c vector will be inward according to right hand thumb rule. Place right hand palm along first vector and curl it towards second vector through smaller angle. So if you place your right hand along a vector and curl it towards b vector through a smaller angle theta, then you will see the thumb is pointing inward. So direction of thumb gives direction of a cross b. So since c vector is inward, so c vector is perpendicular to a vector, c vector is perpendicular to b vector. Also, a vector cross b vector can be drawn with the help of parallelogram law. This diagonal is a vector plus b vector. So clearly a vector plus b vector is in the plane of a vector and b vector. So that is also perpendicular to c vector. So 1, 2 and 3 statements are correct. Fourth is wrong because c vector is parallel to a cross b. So our option is C. Next question. The question is saying a force F vector 2i cap plus 3j cap minus k cap is acting on a body at a position vector 6i plus 3j minus 2k. We have to find the torque about the origin. So let us use the formula for torque. Tau vector is equal to r vector cross F vector. Let's draw the determinant. First row is I, j and k. Second row will be components of r vector, which is 6, 3 and minus 2. Third row will be the components of F vector 2, 3 and minus 1. So let's solve this determinant. I cap into 3 into minus 1 minus j cap into 6 into minus 1 plus k cap into, let's solve this determinant. I cap into 3 into minus 1 minus 3 into minus 2, then minus j into 6 into minus 1 minus 2 into minus 2 plus k cap into 6 into 3 minus 2 into 3, that is equal to minus 3 plus 6 I cap minus j cap into minus 6 plus 4 plus k cap into 18 minus 6. So 3i plus 2j plus 12 k cap. So correct option is A option. Next question. P vector plus Q vector is equal to R vector. The magnitude of P and Q is equal to root 3. Magnitude of R vector is 3. We have to find angle between P vector and Q vector. So let's use the formula for resultant. R square is equal to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. 3 square is equal to root 3 square plus root 3 square plus 2 into root 3 into root 3 into cos theta. So 9 is equal to 3 plus 3 plus 2 into 3 cos theta, or 3 is equal to 6 cos theta. So cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. So theta is equal to 60 degree or pi by 3 radian. Correct answer is C. Next question. The values of x and y for which vectors a vector, which is 6i plus xj minus 2k, and b vector, which is 5i minus 6j minus yk, may be parallel. So for parallel vectors, theta is equal to 0 degree. So cross product is equal to 0 because AB sin theta will be 0. So A cross B, which is by using determinant, first row I, J, K, second row 6, X and minus 2, third row 5, minus 6 and minus Y. This must be equal to 0. I into X into minus Y minus 6 into minus 2 minus J into 6 into minus Y minus 5 into minus 2 plus K into 6 into minus 6 minus 5 into X. This must be equal to 0 vector. So minus XY minus 12 I cap minus J into minus 6Y plus 10 plus K cap into minus 36 minus 5x equal to 0 vector. So we have to equate all these components equal to 0. Minus xy minus 12 is equal to 0. Minus 6y plus 10 is equal to 0. Minus 36 minus 5x is equal to 0. By solving, we'll get 5x is equal to minus 36. So x is equal to minus 36 by 5. Using this equation, 6y is equal to 10. So y is equal to 5 by 3. So correct option is B. Next question is again similar to the one we have solved previously. Magnitude of A vector plus B vector is equal to magnitude of A vector minus B vector. So the angle between two vector is 90 degree. Answer is C. Next question. We have to find the angle between A cross B and A plus B vector. Suppose this is A vector and this is B vector. So if we complete the parallelogram, we can have resultant A vector plus B vector, and according to right hand thumb rule, A vector cross B vector is perpendicular to plane of paper and outward. So angle between A cross B and A plus B is 90 degree because A plus B is on the plane of paper. So correct answer is A. Next question. The resultant R vector of vectors P vector and Q vector is perpendicular to P vector. Also, magnitude of P vector is equal to magnitude of R vector. Let us draw the diagram. P vector, resultant R vector is perpendicular to P vector. Also, the length of P vector and R vector are equal according to this line. If we complete the parallelogram considering R vector as diagonal, we will get Q vector. Suppose the angle between P vector and Q vector is theta, then using the formula for resultant magnitude, R square is equal to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. Since P and R are equal, so we are getting Q square plus 2PQ cos theta is equal to 0. Take Q common. Q plus 2P cos theta is equal to 0. So cos theta is equal to minus Q by 2P. Suppose this is first equation. Now R vector is making 90 degree with P vector. So we can use tan 90 degree is equal to Q sin theta divided by P plus Q cos theta. Tan 90 is 1 by 0. So P plus Q cos theta is equal to 0, or P is equal to minus Q cos theta, or Q by P is equal to minus 1 by cos theta. Suppose this is second equation. Now using first and second, we'll get cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2 into Q by P, which is minus 1 by cos theta, or cos square theta is equal to 1 by 2. So cos theta is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. Now as we can see in the diagram, theta must be greater than 90. So let's suppose theta is equal to 90 plus alpha. So cos theta must be negative, because in second quadrant cos theta is negative. So cos 90 plus alpha is equal to minus 1 by root 2. So minus cos alpha is minus 1 by root 2. So cos alpha is 1 by root 2. Alpha is 45 degree. So theta is 90 plus 45, that is 135 degree. Correct option is B. Next question. Force is given and displacement is given. We have to find work done. So work done is dot product of force and displacement. So 2I plus 3j plus k dot minus 2I plus j minus k, that is equal to 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1 minus 4 plus 3 minus 1 or minus 2 units. Correct option is C. Next question. P vector is given and we have to identify Q vector such that P and Q vector are perpendicular. So we'll use the concept for perpendicular vectors. Dot product is 0. So we will check all the options one by one. Let us check A option. Find the dot product with P vector. PQ cos square theta minus PQ sin square theta. It is not coming to be 0. So A is wrong. Let's check B option. PQ sin theta cos theta minus PQ sin theta cos theta. It is coming out to be 0. So our answer is B option. Next question. We have to find the angle between A vector and the resultant of A plus B and A minus B. So first of all, let's find the resultant of A vector plus B vector and A vector minus B vector. So that will be equal to A vector plus B vector plus A vector minus B vector. B vector and minus B vector cancel. We'll get 2 times of A vector. Now angle between A vector and 2A vector will be 0 degree as both are parallel. So correct option is A. Next question. If A vector plus B vector plus C vector is equal to 0, then what is A vector cross B vector? So we have to find the answer in terms of B and C or A and C. So let us try to find answer in terms of B and C. A vector cross B vector can be written as minus B vector minus C vector bracket close cross B vector. Using this relation, it can be written as minus B cross B bracket close minus C cross B bracket close. Now B cross B is 0 because angle is 0 degree, or minus B cross B is also 0 because angle will be 180 degree. So answer is minus of C cross B, which can be written as B cross C, because B cross C is minus of C cross B. So our answer is A option.